Darkness rose. Evil whispered in the hearts of men. The enemy thought he had power, but the Creator had a plan. Satan walked the earth, deceiving nations, tempting kings, and trying to destroy the hearts of men. His lies were clever. His traps were many. People fell, kingdoms crumbled, hope seemed lost. But even in the darkest night, God's light was never gone. God spoke to His creation. I am the light. I am the truth. I am stronger than any evil. Mountains shook. Seas obeyed. Angels marched. And even Satan trembled at the name of the Almighty. A battle unlike any other began. The enemy tried to corrupt, tempt, and destroy. But every attack met God's unshakable truth. Every lie was exposed. Every chain broke under His power. Satan fell. Darkness could not hold. God's love triumphed over lies. The heavens rejoiced. The earth witnessed miracles. Those who had been trapped were set free. Remember this: no darkness is too strong. No lie too powerful. No enemy can defeat the hand of God. If you face trials today, know this: the same God who defeated Satan fights for you. Stand, believe, and walk in His light.